English Level 2, a representation by Sandra Alvarez Montero. This is order of my presentation. I will start, introduce myself, and tell about my try experience in Santa Marta. I finish with the water in Santa Marta and recommendation if you go to Santa Marta. Let's start. This is me. My name is Sandra Patricia Alvarez Montero. I was born in Medellin City, but in the moment I live in Cartagena City. I am student business administration. I like it, electronic music and reads. This is my family. It's composed of my three children, my husband, and my pet, Coco. My try experience in Santa Marta. The last vacation, I went to Santa Marta. I stayed there 20 days and went with my husband and children. I liked it because I was able to share and enjoy the company of my sister and my husband's family who live in this beautiful city. They treated us very well. We visit places beautiful, for example, Beachwide and Britica rivers, but the place that we liked the most was the Tayrona Park for the natural diversity and huge history. We are planning to return in December to enjoy Christmas there. The weather in Santa Marta. The weather in Santa Marta is sunny and sometimes cool breezy runs in the morning hours. Starting at noon, it gets warm with temperatures between 24 grades and 31 grades. Tips and recommendations to visit Santa Marta. It is recommended that people use sunscreen, do not sun exposure during high hours, wear appropriate clothes, always stay hydrated. The typical dishes of the Caribbean are delicious. I recommend that you enjoy taking care not to be allergic to its ingredients. When visiting the Tayrona National Natural Park, it is very important to take with you all the garbage that is generated. It is the responsibility of our visitors to maintain this natural beauty, its flora and its fauna. People should go to a crystal beach, and the Tayrona Park is a very beautiful and peaceful place. People should not visit the rivers in the rainy season because the currents are dangerous. Thanks for your attention.